Okay, I'm going to share my YouTube channel with you all. So again, log in, and I'm going to go to my library. And if I right now, I'm going to just share my YouTube tutorials. Remember, if I click on this, it's going to start playing them. You can do it that way, but then you'll hear me talking on my video and then on this video. So I'm going to go over to my Creator Studio. And I'm going to go to my video manager and my playlists. Okay, so right here, YouTube tutorial, I'm going to click on that. And if I click edit, it's going to show me this box right here that says share. Okay, so share or embed. So I'm just going to go ahead and share it. Control C. If you wanted people to add videos, so this was a collaborative project with students, and you wanted to have other teachers add projects, they can do that. Remember, students don't have YouTube channels, so they wouldn't be able to, but they can email it to different teachers, and so that would be what that box is for. So I'm going to just copy it, and I'm going to paste it into a link to email you all, so then you'll have the playlist. So that doesn't share my whole channel. It's just sharing this particular playlist. It'll share this with you. And then you could always, have people, if you want to subscribe, people can subscribe. So you can subscribe to the channel, and then when I add more videos, you can, it'll show up on your subscriptions over here. So this is kind of handy so you don't have to search for me. So if you think that you're going to want to watch my videos, go ahead and subscribe. I feel like a YouTuber, and it'll show up over here.